In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Kraken. To do this, simply go and open up the Revolut app and go to the crypto tab in the bottom. From there, you want to go and click on send, and then here select the cryptocurrency that you want to send. So I'll use Bitcoin. Then after doing that, you will see something like this where you need to select an address. Now I've already added mine, but if you haven't yet, just click add wallet address. And then you will need to enter a few details, so the wallet address of course, and then the wallet or exchange. But first, to find the wallet address, open up Kraken, and then on Kraken click transfer, and then just go and click deposit. And there select the same cryptocurrency that you picked on Revolut, which for me was Bitcoin, so I'll select Bitcoin. And then there select the same network, which for me was also Bitcoin, so again I'll select Bitcoin, then click I understand and copy your address. Now you can also see the minimum deposit here, so make sure you send at least that amount, and then paste in the wallet address in the wallet address section here, and then click wallet or exchange. And from there set it to exchange, and there you will see Kraken. You can also search for it if you don't see it immediately. And then from there, after adding that wallet address, just go and select it and then choose how much Bitcoin you want to send. So again, do at least the minimum, then click review transfer and confirm it, and then the money will show up on your Kraken account. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.